Hey guys!
Hi. Where are we going today?
We're going to the 2019 VIPKid Gala here in Beijing, Cadillac Arena. But Beijing Ducks.
Oh my goodness.
VIPKid performance of the Scootin, Boogie, and Footloose.
Oh.
Here we go. Let's do this.
So lonely. I feel so numb.
So here we are at the same sports arena that the 2008 Olympics hosted the NBA men's basketball game.
Also, do you know who performed here?
Actually, I don't.
A singer. Ariana Grande performed at the same arena.
Did she?
Yeah.
Wow.
So we're gonna be performing in the same area as her.
Ariana Grande.
Yeah. Everyone's getting glammed up.
That's so weird. I've never heard.
Pam Pam, are you feeling pretty?
No, I don't. Okay, I got it.
For what, the makeup?
I did.
Or you mean like behind the scenes?
How many people have tried to tie your bow tie today?
It's finding the hole.
3?
Find the hole. You're good. 4.
4.
Yeah, the one in the front, you bend it.
International country superstar is tying bow ties backstage.
And this is where you have to find the hole. Find the hole.
Are you ready?
I don't think so.
Oh my goodness. Elaine's stealing all the dinos.
Get ready for the chorus. Get ready for the chorus. It's the best. It's so good.
This is his favorite song. Ready? Are they gonna play a song?
They're playing right now, but they turned up volume.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have Rika Russell joining us here for the 2019 VIPKid Oscars. How do you feel your team's going to do at the upcoming performance?
I think we're going to do great. Honestly, I think we're going to do fantastic. We practiced this morning and came in really early. And we have a lot of food and coffee now, so I think we're going to be good. David wants to commentate on the fashion that's going on here today.
Hi, we've got a wonderful showing here at the Beijing Arena. So what we've got coming up next, it looks to be the LP team looking
Not really.
very... I have no idea what team it is. It
Over
is
there.
just more of the Beijing team. We don't quite know what department they're from, but we're very excited to see some of the very interesting pieces on show tonight at the red carpet.
David, we're here.
Hey, welcome to the 2019 Gala.
I'm so cute.
千千万个声音，在这座城市大剧场。 一个一个梦飞出了天窗，一次一次想穿梭旧时光，插上初心钉，张开了翅膀，飞到任何想要去的地方。也许未来遥远在光年之外，我愿守候未知里为你等待。我没想到 We are the ones to make a brighter day, so let's start giving. This is just we make it. We're saving our lives. It's true, we'll make a better day, just you and me. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones to make a brighter day, so let's start giving.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
David, how do you feel?
Absolutely fantastic.
How do you feel?
Ready.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
I'm ready, partner. Ready. Got this.
Are you ready, Rika?
Yes. Are you ready, Jeremy?
Oh, look at his outfit.
You ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
How you feeling?
Good. Still a packed house. It'll be good. Out in the country, past the city limit sign, there's a honky-tonk on the county line. The joint starts jumping every time the sun goes down. They got whiskey, women, music, and smoke. It's where the cowfolk go, yeah, to boot, scoot, and boogie. I got a good job, I work hard for my money. When it's quitting time, I hit the floor running. Fire up the pickup truck and let them horses run. Then I hit that highway, on that hideaway, out in the woods to the boot, scoot, boogie. Get down, turn around, go to town, boot, scoot, and boogie. Eat she like.
I've been working so hard. I'm punching my card. 8 hours for what? Oh, tell me what I got. I get this feeling times is holding me down. I'll hit the ceiling or else I'll tear up this town. I'm turning it loose, footloose. Kick off your Sunday shoes. Please, Louise, pull me off of my knees. Jack, get back. Come on before we crack. Lose your blues. Everybody cut, everybody cut. Everybody cut, everybody cut. Everybody cut, everybody cut.